Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a new version of Google Chrome that is appearing this week. So we're moving to Chrome 148. This new version of Google Chrome has a few new features. One of them is AI, the Gemini AI, that is now seeping a lot more within the browser, and you can just literally ask it long questions, long detailed questions in search, and it will just pop up with some answer that's done by AI. They're giving an example on the Chrome website about, somebody asking about a specific type of coffee machine that would make coffees that, a latte that he likes. And that's, there's tons of details that are given. And it brings up pages of where machines do exactly what that person looks for. So that is, of course, an increase in the AI of the Google Gemini AI in Chrome and in search, of course, at the same time. A other feature that is kind of nice when you go to a web page and it asks you for your location. Now you will have two options that will soon pop up. Before it said, do you want to give your location, yes or no, and you just clicked it. So you were giving essentially a pretty precise location. But now it will ask you want to give your precise location or approximate location, which means that it's not going to be as accurate, but it's going to be within the vicinity where you are. So it's not going to actually pinpoint exactly where you are to give you a little more privacy. So that is an option that's popping up with this Chrome browser. And there's a few other little things, including developer stuff. Now, there are some security updates, but they're not updated on the website, so we don't know yet how many. In the past few weeks, Google Chrome has really had a lot of security fixes. So this is going to be interesting to see how many security fixes and if there are any 0 days exploited in the wild critical flaws also at the same time. This is going to be definitely interesting to see. I don't know if it's the fact that Google has announced they are increasing the amount of money that they give to developers and people, security researchers that find security flaws, but there are a lot more being discovered lately in Chrome. Of course, that also means that your Chromium browsers this week will be updated, including Microsoft Edge. So that will be something to look for, especially for the security updates. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.